Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you will fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Unit-5 School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Unit 5, Lesson 1, discussions. So my dear students, let's see our today's class. Class 8, subject English first paper. Topic Unit 5, Lesson 1, discussion. Lecture number 5, SWB 2, term half yearly. Teacher's name, Ariful Islam. And this is my mobile number, and this is today's date. Okay. So, my dear students, let's start our today's class. So, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Bangabandhu and the language movement. Half-yearly exam, lecture 5. Read the text and answer the questions 1 and 2. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few students. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few student leader who played a significant role in turning the language movement into a mass movement. So significant means important. As a student leader, he was a central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strikes for raising awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. So Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the center of all protest world movement. The language movement started when the Governor General of Pakistan, this will be Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu and Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan on 19 March 1948 at the Racecourse Maidan while addressing a public gatherings. So Racecourse Maidan, the present name of Racecourse Maidan is Shahid Uddan. So after Muhammad Ali Jinnah's declaration, Urdu and Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan, the people of Bangladesh were very angry about the declaration. He again told the same 1-4 March 1948 at the University of Dhaka during his convocation speech. So after his declaration, the students instantly protested against the announcement vehemently. So vehemently means seriously, very acutely. So the students of Dhaka University didn't take this as their own. The students of Dhaka University protest against his speech. They want Bangla would be the state language of East Pakistan. That's why they protest against the announcement. It was the time when young Mujib started organizing the student front of Muslim League in East Pakistan. He was proud of his Bengali identity and very active to initiate strikes and protest against the language policy of Pakistan government. So Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was very proud of his Bengali identity, and he was very active against the East Pakistani revolution. Later, the then Prime Minister, the then means at that time, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khaja Nazimuddin, echoed the statement of Mr. Jinnah on 2nd January. So echoed means repeated, resounded. So Khaja Nazimuddin also repeated the same statement of Mr. Jinnah. 2nd January 1952. Mujib was in prison during this time due to his political activism and was admitted to the Dhaka Medical College under police custody. However, he stayed in constant touch with other leaders directly engaged in the movement to make Bangla the state language. So, what was their demand of the people of East Pakistan? Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Bangla as their state language. They wanted the East Pakistanis we wanted Bangla as the state language. His direction from prison led the movement to a success. success. On 14 February, he started a hunger strike there. During a general strike on 21st February 1952, the protesting students tried to defy Section 144 imposed by the government. The police opened fire and killed a number of students, including Abdul Salam, Rafiquddin Ahmed, Abdul Barkut, Abdul Jabbar, and others. In his autobiography, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman says, "We decided in the meeting in my room to observe 21st February as State Language Day and to form a committee that day to conduct the movement to establish Bengali as the state language." So this was said by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. They decided to hold 21st February as the state language day. So who declared this? Bangladesh Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So adapted from the Center of Research and Information, CRI, August 2020. So number 1, choose the correct answer to each questions from alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your answer script. This one will be your ASW. Okay, let's go to question number 2 first. Answer the following questions. What was Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's role as a student leader? So where we will find the answer? As a student leader, he was the central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strikes for raising awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. So we can write the answer in this way. As a student, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strikes for raising awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. Number B, what was the reaction of the students against the announcement of Urdu as the state language of Pakistan? So, the students, here is the answer. The students instantly protested against this announcement vehemently. So, the answer is, the students strongly protested against announcement of Urdu as the state language of Pakistan. So as this is past indefinite tense, we have used protested. Number C, what was Sheikh Mujib proud of? Answer, can you come to this passage? Sheikh Mujib was proud of his Bengali identity. So the answer is, Sheikh Mujib was proud of his Bengali identity. Why was Sheikh Mujib very active? So answer is there. Sheikh Mujib was very active to initiate strikes and protest against the language policy of Pakistan government. So our answer will be, Sheikh Mujib was very active in order to initiate strikes and protest against and the will be separated language policy of Pakistan government. Okay. My dear students, we will do now number 3. Read the following text and fill in the gaps with the appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. So this passage has been taken from Unit 2, Lesson 1, Good Food. Okay, you have to memorize this passage to answer these questions. So good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Miss Rehana. It is dash. So according to passage, number A will be nutritious, Nutritious, nutritious. It must contain natural dash that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. So natural substances. Number B answer will be substances. But remember, you must not eat too much. Dash, the food is good. So you must not eat too much, though, number C will be though, the food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. You have to eat only a certain dash of food. Number D will be certain amount of food that your body needs. So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quality. It dash on your growth and physical structures. So number E will be depends. Depends on your growth and physical structures. So my dear students, your SW will be SW2. Submit on Saturday, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Choose the best answer. Now I am showing that choose the best answer. So number 1, choose the best answer. The word significant in line 1 of the text means 1. Important, minor, trivial, meaningless. This will be your SW. Number B, you will write only the answer. The word custody in line means number 2, 1. Liberty, 2. Detention, 3. Power, 4. Handover. Number C. How were the students killed? Number 1. Fire, by police, by strike, by hartal. Number D. Who was not a language martyr? There will be martyr. So number 1, Abdul Salam, Rafiquddin Ahmad, 3. Abul Barkot, 4. Abul Hassan. Number E, Mujib was proud of his number 1, political identity, 2. Political activism, 3. Language movement, Bengali identity. Number 8, Sheikh Mujib was dash the discriminatory language policy of Pakistanis. Okay, so supporting, in favor of, not in favor of, behind. Who started a hunger strike? Khaja Nazimuddin, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, ordinary people, teachers of Dhaka University. You can write here ordinary people. Okay, no, ordinary only. Who started a hunger strike? Khaja Nazimuddin, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, ordinary, and teachers of Dhaka University. So this one will be SW. SW2, submit on Saturday. Unit 5, Lesson 1, choose the best answer. You will write only answer. Okay, my dear student, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.